Hey, Beautyistic family, picture this. Your skin feeling perfectly plumped and hydrated as you wake up, refreshed and glowing. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're talking about a product that promises just that. The Image Skincare Vital C Hydrating Repair Crème. It's marketed as a night cream designed to give your dry skin the intense hydration it craves. But does it actually deliver? Let's find out. So what are we looking at here? This cream comes in a 57 milliliter jar, which is a nice sizable amount for a night cream. The compact packaging is both sleek and practical, with a twist-off lid that feels secure, which I like. No worries about it spilling all over. The cream itself is thick and rich, perfect for a hydrating nighttime treatment. Now let's talk about the star of the show, the ingredients. The formula includes hyaluronic acid, which is a known powerhouse when it comes to moisture retention. This ingredient helps draw water into the skin, making it feel smooth and replenished. Additionally, it has vitamin C, which helps with the skin's natural collagen production. There's also a blend of antioxidants that can assist in protecting the skin from environmental stressors. I've been testing this cream for a couple of weeks now, and here's how it held up in my routine. First off, it's incredibly hydrating, so if you're dealing with dry skin, this will likely be a savior for you. The texture is thick, but not greasy. It feels nourishing without leaving a heavy film. I applied it at night after cleansing, and when I woke up, my skin felt soft and deeply moisturized. It was a perfect base for makeup the next morning as well, without feeling weighed down. But here's where it gets interesting. While it's definitely hydrating, I noticed it didn't completely clear up the texture on my skin. If you have rough patches or flaky skin, this might work wonders for the hydration, but it might take a few uses to smooth things out fully. I've also tried it in the dry, colder nights where my skin tends to get more irritated, and it was gentle. No irritation or redness, which is always a plus for sensitive skin types. When it comes to the pros, it delivers on hydration, it's gentle, and a little goes a long way. Honestly, if you're after something that'll make your skin feel nourished overnight, this will do the trick. The texture, the feel, and the long-lasting moisture are top tier. Now for the cons. It's a bit pricier compared to other moisturizers on the market, especially for the size. I've used other creams that also offer intense hydration, and they come in larger quantities for the same price. The scent is also something to note. It's subtle, but if you're sensitive to fragrance, it might not be for you. Is it worth the investment? For those with dry skin who need a serious boost of moisture, yes, I'd say it's worth it. The performance definitely justifies the price for those who struggle with persistent dryness, and it's a solid addition to any nighttime skincare routine. Now, if you're looking for cheaper alternatives, there are some options out there. For example, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel is a great option with hyaluronic acid, and it's more budget-friendly. But if you're someone who loves the high-end skincare experience, this is a great choice for a night cream that delivers hydration and nourishment. So, here's my final verdict. The Image Skincare Vital C Hydrating Repair Crème is a solid choice for dry skin in need of intense hydration. It's not a miracle worker for texture, but it does exactly what it promises. It replenishes your skin's moisture, leaving you with soft, glowing skin. If you're willing to invest in your skin's hydration and want a luxurious product to add to your routine, this could be the one for you. If this review was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss out on more honest, expert reviews. Your support helps us create more content just like this. And before you go, if you've tried this cream, let us know in the comments below. What was your experience? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay beautiful inside and out.